Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the solutions of Matrix Olympiad paper Stage 2 for Shift-1 which was held on 10th of November 2024. So we'll start from class 6th and the subject is physics. Let us start our discussion. Question number 1. Here a diagram is given and question is asked that one of the four identical light bulbs in a series circuit has blown off as shown in the figure. So out of these four, one is blown off. Okay, which one of the following statement is correct about the bulbs? So as we know that all the four bulbs are connected in series. If any one of the four will blown off, then that means the electric current supply will be disconnected in the circuit. So all the four bulbs will not glow. So in this case, we will say all the bulbs P, Q, R and S will not glow. So correct answer is option D. Next question. So there are statements given. We have to check which is correct and which is false. Okay. The motion of hands while running is an example of oscillatory motion. What is oscillatory motion? The motion of an object or particle about to and fro from a mean position. Okay. So it is a true statement. 800 milligram is equals to 8 into 10 to the power 5 kg. So 8000 milligram, 8000, that means 8000 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram, which is equals to 8 gram, which is not equal to 10 to the power 5 into 8 kg. So it is a false statement. While measuring the length of a cubical box, the reading of a scale at one end is 3.5 centimeter and the other end is 9.5 centimeter. The length of the cubical box is 6 centimeter. So we know that 9.5 minus 3.5 which is equals to 6 centimeter. So this is a true statement. So correct code is true, false, true. So option C is our correct answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 3, which is a match the following question. So let us see. An opaque, smooth, highly polished surface which is known as mirror. So for P I will write 2. A very simple camera without lens. Okay. So for this I will write 4. Okay. A dark area of shape produced by an opaque object, that means a shadow. So for R I will write 1. Does not emit light of its own, that is non-luminous sources. So for S I will write 3. So correct code is 2413. 2413, that means option D is our correct answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 4, which is based on a paragraph. So here some details are given about the fuse and it is asked a fuse wire will melt because of. So fuse is a protecting device which is used to protect any electric circuit from overloading and short circuiting. So this fuse wire will melt due to overloading or short circuiting. So first and third is correct. So option B is our, sorry, not option B, option C is our correct answer. Okay. Next question, question number 5 based on same paragraph, and in this it is asked which metals are used to make a fuse wire. As we know that tin and lead are used to make fuse wire. So option D is our correct answer. Next question number 6. Question number 6 and 7 may have more than one correct answer. Okay. So option A, 1 kilometer equal to 10 to the power 8 micrometer. Let us check. 1 kilometer means 10 to the power 3 meters. Okay. And 10 to the power 8 multiplied by 10 to the power micro means minus 6. Okay. Meter, which is equal to 10 to the power 2 meter. So this is not correct. So we have to check which of the following unit conversions are wrong. So this is correct answer because this is wrong conversion. 1 centimeter is equals to, we can say 10 to the power minus 2 meter. 10 to the power 3 multiplied by millimeter, that means 10 to the power minus 3 meter, which is equals to 1 meter. So this is also a wrong conversion. 1 milligram equal to 10 to the power 3 microgram. Let's see. 1 milligram means 10 to the power minus 3 gram. 10 to the power 3 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6, which is equals to 10 to the power minus 3 gram. This is correct. So we have to choose wrong one. So this is not our option. 1 kg equal to 10 to the power 6 milligram. So 1 kg means 10 to the power 3 grams. 10 to the power 6 multiplied with 10 to the power minus 3, which is equals to 10 to the power 3 gram. This is also correct, but we have to choose wrong one. So this is also not our correct option. So correct answer is option A and option B. Next question number 7, in which a diagram is given, and this is a plane mirror. PO is incident ray, QO is normal, and OM is reflected ray, and we know that from the laws of reflection, angle I is equals to angle R. Okay, so what is question? In the figure given below, angle POQ is equal to angle MOQ. This is because, as I have told you, this is because it follows laws of reflection. This is correct answer. The reflected ray leaves the mirror at greater angle than the incident. No, this is incorrect. The reflected ray leaves the mirror at same angle at which incident ray strike the mirror. This is also correct. The incident ray penetrates the mirror. No, this is incorrect. So our correct answer is option A and option C. So we have discussed all the questions of subject physics. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, subscribe this YouTube channel. If you have any type of query in any question, then click on Ask a Doubt button, which is provided on your MOF profile. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to all of you on Matrix YouTube channel. Now we will discuss the MOF paper solution for class 6, which was conducted on 10th of November 2024. Let's see the question. So the first question is, which of the following statement is or are true and false? First is, mixture of cream and milk can be separated by centrifugation method. Yes, this is completely true statement. We know that the cream is mixed in the milk, but by the centrifugation force, it is converted into butter. So this is completely true statement. Now the next is, mixture of kidney beans and chickpeas can be separated by hand. Yes, this is completely right statement, because when the particles have difference in their size, so by the sieving process we can separate that. So this process is also happened with when the kidney beans are involved or mixed with the chickpeas. So this is true statement. Now the next is, mixture of naphthalene and ammonium chloride can be separated by sublimation. No, this is completely false statement, because the sublimation is a process in which solid state directly convert into vapor state, and the naphthalene and ammonium chloride both are sublimable substance, and both are sublimable substance. So because of that, they cannot be separated by the sublimation process. So the first statement is true, second statement is true, but the third statement is false statement. So true, true and false. So the C is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. First is, in the column first, P is difference in weight, Q is difference in size, R is immiscibility, and the S is considerable difference in boiling points. Let's see. When the particles have different weight, then they can separate it by the process winnowing. Like we can separate the husk and grain by the winnowing process. Next, difference in size. When the particles have different sizes, then they can easily separate it by the process sieving, like kidney beans and chickpeas. Next is immiscibility. When two substances or two particles are immiscible with each other, then by the separating funnel, we can separate both the elements or both the compounds. Next is the considerable difference in the boiling point. When two components mix with each other with the different boiling points, they can separate it by the distillation process. Now let's see the column second. First is separating funnel, second is distillation, third is winnowing, and the fourth one is sieving. So the first, difference in weight. So by the winnowing process, we can separate this substance. So P match with third. Next is difference in size. So by the sieving, we can separate it. So Q match with fourth. Immiscibility, separating funnel method is used for immiscible substances. So R match with first, and the S is considerable difference in the boiling point. So for the S, the distillation process is suitable for these type of components. So 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2. It means C is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next one. The next question is, paragraph based question. Let's see the paragraph. The paragraph is, materials can be sorted out by the groups on the basis of their appearance, shape, size, color, hardness, conductivity, melting point, boiling point, the materials from which they are made, and any other properties common to few objects. The process of grouping objects according to their common properties is called classification. Solubility is an important characteristic of substances. Some materials which are soluble in water may not be soluble in another liquid. Some substances break easily and some are transparent. So let's see the question. So the first question is on the paragraph based question. Observe the given figure carefully. So this is the diagram for the separating funnel process, and by the separating funnel process we can separate two immiscible substances like oil and water. Now see the statements. Now select the correct statement. First statement is, the apparatus shown in the given figure is used to separate two immiscible liquid. Yes, it is completely true statement or correct statement, and this process is known as the separating funnel. Next is, evaporation take place in the given apparatus. No, evaporation is not take place in this apparatus. Next is, oil and water cannot be separated by using this apparatus. No, this is completely wrong statement, because oil and water can be separated by using this method. So this is completely wrong statement. Next is, this apparatus is used to separate salt and water. No, the salt and water form a miscible solution, or we can say a true solution. So this solution, salt and water solution, cannot be separated by this method. So this is also wrong option. So the option A is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question, the paragraph is same, and the question is, study the given flow chart carefully. Now let's see the flow chart. In the flow chart, first the material conducts heat and electricity is P, and if it is not conduct the heat and electricity, it is brittle in nature and it is transparent, then it is Q, and if it is brittle but not transparent and have the high melting point, it is R, and it is not brittle and it is not conduct the heat and electricity but it is strong, so it may be S. Let's discuss the option. So the first option, P is metal. Yes, P is metal because metal conduct the heat and electricity. Next is P is ceramics. P is not ceramics because ceramics is not conduct the heat and electricity. Plastic is also not conduct the electricity, and P is metal. So A and D may be the right options. Now let's see the next one. Q is ceramics. Q is ceramics means, if Q is ceramic means Q not conduct the heat and electricity, and it is brittle in nature but it is not the transparent. So this is also wrong option. Now the next one is, here the Q is glass. Yes, the Q glass means glass is not conduct the heat and electricity and it is brittle in nature and it is transparent. So the Q is right. Next is R is ceramics. R means this one. R is not the conduct the heat and electricity. It is brittle in nature also, and it is not a transparent, but it have high melting and boiling point. So R is also right. And next is S. S is plastic. S is plastic means the substance which do not conduct the heat and electricity. It is not the brittle but it is strong. So the S is plastic. So the D is also the right option. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, separation of materials is used to make materials more beneficial. So choose the correct option. Okay, now let's see the option. The first option is, when seawater is allowed to stand in shallow pits, water gets heated by sunlight and slowly turns into water vapor through the evaporation. Yes, it is completely a true statement. Now let's see the next one. In the next one, alum which is soluble in water is used to load the particles of clay. Yes, it is completely a true statement. Alum join the different clay particles and coagulate them. This is also true statement. Now let's see the C. Centrifugation is used to separate immiscible components of a mixture. Yes, it is also true statements. By the centrifugation process, we can combine the different particles or different solutions which are immiscible with each other, like butter and milk. Now the next is decantation is the process to shuttle down heavier particles on the bottom. No, this is known as a sedimentation. So this is completely wrong statement. So the option A, B and C are the right option for this question. Now let's see the next. The next is a rectangular block of a substance X has a length of 20 centimeter, breadth of 10 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. The mass of the block is 2.7 kilogram. If density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube, then which of the following statement is or are incorrect? Okay, so look at here. The X have L, length is equals to 20 centimeter, B is equals to 10 centimeter and the height H is equals to 5 centimeter. If we calculate the volume of the substance, then volume is equals to L into B into H. So it becomes 20 into 10 into 5 is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Now the next is mass of the substance is 2.7 kilogram. So the mass is equals to 2.7 kilogram. If we convert 2.7 kilogram in gram, it is 2700 gram. Now the next is the formula of the density is equals to mass upon volume. So the mass of the substance is 2700 and the volume is 2700 gram and the volume is 1000 centimeter cube. So when we solve it, it becomes 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. So the answer is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube, means the density is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. Now let's see the question again. Which of the following statement is or are incorrect? Okay, so the first statement is the block will float in water as its density is 0.027 gram per centimeter cube. No, it is completely wrong statement. So the first one is incorrect statement. Next one is the block will sink in water as its density is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. Yes, this is completely right statement because we know that the density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube and the density of that block is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube, and we know that if the particle or if the substance have the higher density than water, then it can sink in the water. So this is completely correct statement. Okay, now let's see the next one. The block will sink in water as its density is 2.7 kilogram per centimeter cube. No, it is incorrect statement. Now the next one is the block will float in water as its density is 0.0027 gram per centimeter cube. It is also incorrect statement. Now let's see the question again. Which of the following statement is or are incorrect? Means in this question we have to find the statement which is incorrect. So let's see the option. The first option is incorrect, means the A is the right option. Next, second is correct, means B is not the right option. Third one is incorrect, it is also right, and fourth one is also incorrect. So it means the A, C and D all are right option for this question. Thank you. Thanks a lot. If you have any query, any doubt in any question, so there is one more option, ask a doubt. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, you can subscribe our YouTube channel also, and you can join our WhatsApp channel also. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 6th stage 2nd. Let's start. First question. First question is, refer to the given figure and select the correct statement regarding it. This diagram for vertebral column. Vertebral column. It consists of 12 small bone. No. That is wrong. So many bones present in vertebral column. Next, its first bone is called atlas. That is right. Atlas is the first bone and axis is the second. Atlas and axis. Next, it gives protection to heart. Heart present between the vertebral column and next this chest. So, rib cage protect to heart. So, that is wrong. Ball and socket joint are present between the bone. Wrong. So, right answer is option B. Which of the following statement is are true or false? Refer to given figure and identify the disease from which the child suffer. Given diagram is like this. So, we can say malnutrition. Malnutrition show this type of kwashiorkor disease, this marasmus disease. These are the two type of malnutrition. Now select the correct option regarding statement true and false. Child is suffering from the deficiency of fat. That is wrong. Child suffering from this disease also show like mental retardation, patches on skin and diarrhea. That is right. Diet rich in iron and calcium only can help treat this disease. That is wrong. Because these diseases relate to protein and carbohydrate nutrition. So, according to option, our right answer is false, true and false. So, false, true, false. Option B is correct for this question. Next question is, match the column first with second. Column first, moving your arm in a circle. In a circle like this. This relate to ball and socket joint. Kneeling down. Kneeling down. So this one is relate to hinge joint. Hinge joint. Hinge joint show this condition. This condition. And twisting your wrist. Twisting your wrist. That is relate to gliding joint. And next one is moving your neck from one side to another side. That relate to pivot joint. So, according to this match, 3, 1, 4, 2. Option C is correct for this question. Next question is, the food we eat contain various nutrients such as carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin and minerals. Carbohydrate and fat are energy-giving food, whereas protein are bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food is protein. One might be eating enough food but not necessarily the right type of food. If our diet does not contain appropriate amount of any nutrient, our body starts showing sign and symptom of deficiency. That is called deficiency disease. The diet that contain all the different type of nutrient in correct amount is termed as balanced diet, such as diet also include enough water and roughage. A question that relate to that paragraph, Roshan want to build his muscle and thus join a gymnasium. What change should Roshan make in his diet to build strong muscle? And muscle related to protein, because protein help in body building. Eat more carbohydrate rich? No. Protein rich. That is right. right answer for this question. Next is, the table lists some food item. Which option correctly indicate a balanced diet? Samosa, that is wrong. Puri, that is wrong. Soybean sweet and cold drink, that is wrong. Spinach, jaggery, banana and soybean, that is right for according to this example. These are example for balanced diet, and we select for correct option: spinach, jaggery, banana and soybean for balanced diet. Right answer is option D. Next, which of the following statement are correct? Fat deposited in our body act as shock absorber and protect us from injury. Kwashiorkor is caused by deficiency of protein, carbohydrate and fat. That is wrong. Next, starch containing food item turn reddish. No. Roughies neither release energy nor help in tissue or body building. Yes. A and D is right for this statement and B and C is wrong. Because these are different kind of deficiency, protein and carbohydrate. But Kwashiorkor in this statement show protein, carbohydrate, fat, so wrong statement. So A and D is right for this question. Next is, which of the following statement are correct? Option A, iron is needed for formation of hemoglobin. Heme and globin, that is related to hemoglobin and contain iron, Fe, and main source of green leaf and beetroot because contain iron. So option A is right. Next, water soluble vitamin are not stored in body, right? Must supplied through food. That is right option. Deficiency of vitamin B cause night blindness? No, A caused. So wrong. Protein molecule are formed by a large number of smaller molecule called fatty acid? No, these are called amino acids. So D is wrong. A and B is correct for this question. A and B is correct. So these are the all solution for biology portion. More update, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello students, welcome to the 2024th edition of Matrix Olympiad. Today I am here to discuss about the MOF paper solution for class 6 stage 2 for math subject. So let's start. So here we have question number 21st, that is, a grocery store has 5 eggs left over from yesterday's stock. If m eggs were delivered today to the shop by supplier, out of which 6 were returned, so how many unspoiled eggs are there for sale in the shop? So here we have given m eggs were delivered today. It means m eggs were delivered today, and out of which 6 were returned. It means minus 6. And yesterday's eggs are 5, that is left. So here I add 5. It means we have left egg, that is m minus 6 plus 5. So check which option is correct. So m minus 6 plus 5. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is, Harry had been studying prime number. What is total number of even prime number? So here we have to find total number of even prime number. So we know the prime number is 2 and the total number of even prime number, that is only 1. 1, that is the total number of even prime number. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is the length, breadth and height of a room are 8 meter 25 centimeter, 6 meter 75 centimeter and 4 meter 50 centimeter respectively. Determine the longest road which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. So here we have to find the longest road. So first we have given length, that is 8 meter 25 centimeter. So if I convert it into centimeter, so I can say that 825 centimeter. Now next breadth, that is we have given, that is 6 meter 75 centimeter. It means 6 meter 75 centimeter. If I again convert it into centimeter, so I can say that 675 centimeter. Now third one, we have given height of room. Height of room, that is 4 meter 50 centimeter. So here I can write here 4 meter 50 centimeter. It means 450 centimeter. And we have to find here the longest road which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. So for longest road we have to find the HCF of length, breadth and height. So I can write here HCF of bracket 825 comma 675 comma 450. So let's start. We have to find here HCF. So HCF 825 comma 675 comma 450. So here first I take 3. So 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21 and 3 5 ja 15 comma 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15 and comma 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15 and 0. If I take here 5, then 5 5 ja 25 and 5 5 ja 25 comma 5 4 ja 20 and remaining 25. So 5 5 ja 25 and here 5 3 ja 30. So here I take again 5. I can say that 11, 9 and 6. 11, 9 and 6. So here the HCF is 5 multiply 5 multiply 3. So 5 5 ja 25 and 25 3 ja 75 centimeter. So check which option is correct. So here we have given 75 centimeter. We have not given 75 centimeter. So we have to convert 75 centimeter into meter. So if I convert here, so I divide by 100. So I can say that 0.75 meter. So the length of longest road, that is 0.75 meter. So 0.75 meter. So here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is which two solid shapes have been combined to form the solid shapes given below. So here we have given a solid shape, and if I observe this one, so here this is a cuboid and the upper part, that is a pyramid. So I can say that this solid shape is the combination of cuboid and a pyramid. So a cuboid and a pyramid. So here option number D is the correct answer. So if I talk about next question, that is Alexa frequently purchase books, read them and sell them. She spends rupees 275 on suspenses novels, then sells it at a 15% of loss. So how much does she sell it for? So here we have given the, right, you can say that the cost price of novel, that is rupees 275, and she get 15% of loss. So we have to find the 15% of this amount. So I can say that 15%, that is 15 upon 100 multiply by 275. So simply if I solve here, so 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10 and 20, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, carry 2 remaining 2 and 5 here, so 5 5 ja 25. So simple, I can say that 55 multiply by 3 divided by 4. So simple, if I multiply here, so 5 3 ja 15, carry 1, 15 or 1, 5 3 ja 15, carry 1, 15 or 1, 16. So 165 divided by 4. So here I get 4 4 ja 16, 4 1 ja 4, point 4 2 ja 8 and 4 5 ja 20. It means she get loss, that is 41.25 rupees. So I can say that the selling price that is the amount 275 rupees and she get loss, that is 41.25 rupees. So simply if I simplify here, so I get 233.75 rupees. So 233.75. So 233.75. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now next question is that if A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 40 and C is equal to 80, then find the value of A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. So simple, we have given A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. So if I put the value of A, that is 20, multiplied by, put the value of B, that is 40, plus the value of A again, that is 20, and the value of C, that is 80. So simply if I multiply here, so here I get 4 2 ja 8 and 0 0 plus 8 2 ja 16 and 0 0. If I add here, so here I get answer, that is 2400. So check which option is correct. So 2400, here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is the two numbers are in the ratio 4:5. So here we have two numbers and the ratio is 4:5. If 2 is subtracted from the first number and 2 is added to the second number, then the ratio be 2:3. Find the sum of both number. So let first number be 4x and second number be 5x. Now according to question, if 2 is subtracted from first number, so here we have first number, that is 4x. So if I subtract here 4x minus 2 and 2 is added to the second number we have 5x. So if I add here 2a and the ratio become 2:3. So here 2:3. So first we have to find the value of x. So using cross multiplication, I can say that 3 multiplied by 4x minus 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5x plus 2. So simple, 4 3 ja 12, x minus 6 is equal to 5 2 ja 10x plus 4. So if I subtract here, so 2x minus 10x is equal to 4 plus 6. It means value of 2x is equal to 10 and the value of x is equal to 5. Now we have to find the sum of both number. The number that we have, first number, that is 4x and the second number, that is we have 5x. So if I add here, so here I get 9x. The value of x, that is 5. So 9 multiplied by 5, that is 45. So sum of both number, that is 45. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is if 5x plus 8y is equal to 67 and 2x minus y is equal to 31, then we have to find the value of x plus y. Simply we have given first, that is 5x plus 8y is equal to 67, and again second, that is we have given 2x minus y is equal to 31. So let's assume this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. So if we multiply 8 by equation number 2, then we get 8, that is 2x minus y is equal to 8 multiplied by 31. So here 8 to 16x minus 8y is equal to 8 1 8, 8 3 24. So let's the new equation, that is equation number 3. Now add equation 3 and 1. So if I add here, so equation number first, that is we have given 5x plus 8y is equal to 67. 16x minus 8y is equal to 248. So simply if I add here, so plus 8y and minus 8y each cut, and 16x plus 5x, that is 21x is equal to 248 plus 67. So if I add here, so 8 plus 7 here I get 15 ka 5 carry 1, 6 and 4 10 and 1 11 carry 1 and 315. The value of x is equal to 315 divided by 21. So now here if I simplify here, so here I get 21 1 ja 21 and remaining 10 and come here 0. So I can say that 20, so 21 5 ja 21 15 ja 315. So here the value of x is equal to 15. If I put the value of x here, then I get 2x minus y is equal to 31 and the value of x, that is 15. So 2 multiplied by 15 minus y is equal to 31. So if I multiply here, so I get 30 minus 31 is equal to value of y, and the value of y that I get minus 1. Now we have to find the sum of x plus y, and the value of x we have given 15 and the value of y, that is we have given minus 1. So if I subtract here, so I get answer, that is 14. So 14, option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is the shape of an ice cream cone is a combination of. So we know the shape of ice cream, that is like this one. In the shape of ice cream, here this is the cone and this is the hemisphere. So cone and hemisphere. So hemisphere and cone. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is if R is the radius of a sphere. So here we have given R, that is the radius of a sphere. Then what is the surface area of a sphere? We know the surface area of a sphere, that is 4 pi r square. So check which option is correct, 4 pi r square. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following statements are true and false. So here we have given 3 statements and we have to find which one is the true and which one is false. So statement number 1, that is 161 and 168 are not co-prime numbers. Yes, this one is true. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all of its digits each divisible by 3. Yes, we know the divisibility rule of 3, that is true. If I talk about third one, that is the sum of integers, we have given integers, that is minus 8 plus 23 plus bracket minus 31, each less than the sum of this integer and less than the sum of the integer, that is 31 plus 7 minus bracket minus 3. So first if I simplify here, so I get minus 8 plus 23 minus 31. So here I get 23 minus 39. So simply 7 and 9, 16. So here I get minus 16. If I solve this one, so here I get 31 plus 7 minus plus 3, that is 31 plus n, that is 41. So here the statement each the sum of integers, this each less than the sum of integer, this one. Yes, this one is true, this one is the less if I compare to this one. So I can say this one is true. So true, true, true. So where is true, 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 true? So here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following statements is a true or false. So here again we have given 4 statements and we have to find which one is true and which one is false. Statement number 1, that is we have given Roman numerals of the largest 3-digit number. So we know the largest 3-digit number, that is 9, 9 and 9, and the Roman numerals, that is CIX. Yes, this one is true, so I can say that this one is true. And the second one, that is the smallest 4-digit number formed by using the digits, this one. So we have to find out the smallest 4-digit number with the help of these digits. So the digits are 5, 6, 0 and 9. So here first we take 5, then we take 0, then we take 6 and we take 9. So 5069, 5069. So here this one is again true. Now third statement, that is estimated product of 5034 and 295. So the estimated number 5034 I can write here, that is 5000 multiplied by 295. So estimated number, that is 300. So here 5 3 ja 15, and how many zeros are there? 3 and 2 5. So I write here 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. So this one is again true. So here true, true and true. So check which option is correct. True, true, true. So here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next one, which is again based on true or false. So here again we have given 3 statements and we have to find which one is true and which one is false. A right angle is 1/4 of a revolution. So we know right angle this one, and this is the 1/4 of revolution. So I can say this one is true. The phase value and the place value are always equal at 1's place. Yes, this one is again true. The sum of 2 negative integers and a positive integers is always a negative integer. So let's assume 2 negative integers, that is -3 and -5. If I sum here and we add a positive integer, that is 10. So in this case I can see that -3 -5 plus 10. So here -8 plus 10. So here we get result, that is positive integer, but here we have given always a negative integer. So this one is false. So true, true, false. So true, true, false. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is again based on true or false statements. So here we have given 4 statements and we have to find which one is true and which one is false. So statement number 1, that is a fraction is said to be the simplest form of its numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Yes, this one is true. So let assume a fraction that is 3/4 and the common factor of 3 and 4, that is 1, and I can say that this one is the simplest form. So this one is true. 5/9 is greater than 4/5. So here we have given 2 fractions. One is 5/9 and second one is 4/5. So if I multiply here, so I can say that 5 multiply 5, 5 and 9 multiply by 4. So 25 and 36. So here I can say that 25 is less than 36. So 5/9. So here according to this one I can say that 5/9 is less than 4/5. So 5/9 is greater than. So this one is false according to this situations. So this one is false. Fraction can't be represented on the number line. This one is false. We can represent the fractions on number line. So I can say this one is again false. So true, false, false. So TFF. So TFF. So here option number A is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, that is match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have given column 1 and here we have given column 2. We have to first solve the column 1. So in column 1 we have given P, that is 4 and 3/10. So here we have given 4 and 3/10 minus 1 and 2/5 plus 8 and 1/9. So simply if I solve here, so 4 10 ja 40, 40 plus 3, so here I get 43/10 minus 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 2, 7/5 and 73/9. So if I simplify here, so here I get 4.30 minus 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20, 40 plus, if I get here, so here I get 8 point, so 9 8 is 72, carry 1, 9 1 is 9 and 88.11. So if I simplify here, so here I get answer that is 11.01. Where is 11.01? So P is connected to here 4. So I write here P is connected to 4. So now if I solve Q, that is 0.25 plus 9.81 multiply by 6.4 plus 8 4 ja 32, 32 plus 5 37. So 37 upon 8. So simply if I multiply here, so I can write here 0.250 plus, if I multiply here, so I get answer that is 62.784, and if I solve here, so I get answer that is 4.625. So now we have to add here, so 4 8 or 5 13, carry 1 7 1 10.63 plus 4.625. So simply if I add again, so 5 or 4 9, 3 or 2 5, and 0 plus 6, that is 6.67. So here we get 67.659. So where is 67.659? Here. It means Q is connected to third. So I write here Q is connected to third. So now if I talk about R, that is we have given here 2 and 3 by 8. So here we have given 2 and 3 by 8 minus 4 and 7 by 9 multiply by 0.9 plus 4.32. So simply first we have to simplify this one. So we know 8 to just 16, 16 or 3, 19. So here I get 19 upon 8 minus 9 4 ja 36, 36 or 7, 43. So here we get 43 upon 9 multiply by 0.9 plus 4.32. So here if I divide here, so I get 2.37 minus 9 1 ja 9, 0.1. So here we get 4.30 plus 4.32. So here if I simplify here, so we get answer that is 2.39. So check where is 2.39. So here we have 2.39. It means R is connected to 1. So here R is connected to 1. So I can write here R is connected to 1. Now last one, that is S. The S we have given 2 and 7 by 8. So here we have given 2 and 7 by 8 plus 5 upon 8 multiply by 0.9344 and plus 100. Okay, so we know 8 2 ja 16 and 16 plus 7, that is 23 upon 8 plus, if I simplify here, so I get answer that is 0.584 plus 100. So if I simplify this one, so we get answer that is 103.459. So check which option is correct here. So here S is connected to 2. It means S is connected to 2. So 4 3 1 2. So 4 3 1 2. So here option number B is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, that is match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. So here we have given column 1 and here we have given column 2. We have to just match it. So we know a plus b ka whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. It means p is connected to 2. Now second q, that is a square minus b square. So we know a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. So a plus b, a minus b, that is q is connected to 1. If I talk about r, that is a plus b ka cube. So we know a plus b ka cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. It means r is connected to 4. And last one, a cube minus b cube. So we know a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So s is connected to third. It means p is connected to 2, q is connected to 1, r is connected to 4, and s is connected to third. It means 2, 1, 4, 3. So where is 2, 1, 4, 3? So here 2, 1, 4, 3. So here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have given column 1 and here we have given column 2. So in column 1, that P is area of trapezium. So we know area of trapezium, that is 1 by 2 multiply sum of parallel side multiply distance between them. It means P is connected to third. So here I can write here P is connected to third. So now Q, that is if the volume of cube is 512 centimeter cube, then the lateral surface area is. So here we have given volume of cube and we have to find the lateral surface area. So we know volume of cube is equal to side cube, and volume that is given 512 is equal to side cube. So here side is equal to 8, and we know the lateral surface area, that is 4 multiplied by side square, and 4 multiplied by side, that is we have given 8. It means 8 ka square. So 4 multiplied by 8, 8 is 64. So if I multiply here, so here I get 256, and side that is we have in centimeter, it means 256 centimeter square. So 256 centimeter square here, it means Q is connected to 4 and P is connected to third. So Q is connected to 4. Third one, the diagonal of square is under root 8 meter, then its area. So we know diagonal of square, that is under root 2 multiplied by side, and the value of diagonal of square, that is we have given under root 8. So I can write here side is equal to under root 8 divided by under root 2. We know we can write here under root 8 in the form of 2 under root 2 divided by under root 2. So here side we have given 2, and we know area of square, that is side square, and side that is 2. So you know square of 2, that is 4. So 4, and here unit, that is meter. So I can write here 4 meter square. Here, so R is connected to 1. So it means R is connected to 1. So now if the radius of circle we have given 7 centimeter, then the circumference of circle. So we know radius R is equal to 7 centimeter. We know the circumference of circle, that is 2 pi R. So 2 multiply the value of pi is equal to 22.7 multiply the radius we have given, that is 7. So if I cut 7 to 7, so I can write here 2 multiply by 22, that is 44 and centimeter. So 44 centimeter, it means S is connected to 2. It means S is connected to 2. So here 3, 4, 1, 2. So check which option is correct. 3, 4, 1, 2. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is again based on match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have given column 1 and here we have given column 2. So P, that is any two side with a common end point is called, any two side with a common end point is called adjacent side. So P is connected to 2. So I write here P is connected to 2. Now next one, the join of any two non-adjacent vertices is called diagonal. It means Q is connected to 1. So Q is connected to 1. The third one, that is the meeting point of a pair of side is called, the meeting point of a pair of side is called vertices. It means R is connected to 4. And last one, that number of diagonals in a 6-sided polygon. So for number of diagonals we have formula, that is n minus 3 divided by 2. So here n, that is number of side. So side we have given 6. So 6 multiplied by 6 minus 3 upon 2. So 6 multiplied by 3 divided by 2, that is 3 multiplied by 3. It means 9. So number of diagonals are 9. It means S is connected to third. So S is connected to third. So 2, 1, 4, 3. So 2, 1, 4, 3 here. So here I can say that option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is based on paragraph, and here we have given a paragraph that is in a large housing complex there are 15 small buildings and 22 large buildings. Each of the large buildings has 10 floors with 2 apartments on each floor, and each of the small buildings has 12 floors with 3 apartments on each floor. Okay, now we have given question that is number of apartments in one small building. So here we have to find the number of apartments. Okay, so I can write here number of apartment in one small building. That is, so here in one building we have 12 floors. Okay, and multiply by each floor having 3 apartments. Okay, here, so 12 3 ja 36 apartments in one small building. Okay, so where is 36 here? So option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is based again same paragraph, and here we have question that is total number of apartments in entire housing complex. So here we have to find the total number of apartments. So I can write here total number of apartment, that equal to the apartment in large building plus apartment in small building. So we know here we have 15 small buildings, so I can write here 15 multiply by each building having 12 floors and each floors having 3 apartments, plus here we have 22 large buildings multiply by each large building having 10 floors and each floors having 2 apartments. So simple, if I multiply here, so here I get 45 multiply by 12 plus 440. So simple, if I multiply here, so 5 2 ja 10, carry 1. Okay, and 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 2 ja 8, 8 or 5, 8 or 5 13, 13 or 1 14, carry 1, and 540 plus 440. If I add here, so here I get 980. That is the total apartments. So 980 here. So option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, which is based on a paragraph, and here we have given a paragraph that is Karisma had made a chart ABCD which is made up of 2 rectangles ECHG and FGHD. And here we have a rectangle and here we have a rectangle, and 1 square ABEF. So here this is the square. Now she wants to put a lace around the border of the whole chart, and she wants to put a lace around border of the whole chart. Okay, if they knows the area of both rectangle and GF is equal to 4 centimeter. Here we have given the length of GF, that is 4 centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle ABCD, and we have to find the perimeter of rectangle ABCD. So where is rectangle A? We have to find the perimeter of rectangle ABCD. For this rectangle we have to first find the length and we have to find the breadth. Okay, so if I observe here, so I know the area of rectangle HGFD is equal to, we have given 32. So I can write here area of rectangle HGFD is equal to, we have given 32 centimeter. We know area of rectangle, that is length multiplied by breadth. So here I write length multiplied by breadth is equal to 32. Here the breadth we have given, that is 4. So I can write here length multiplied by 4 is equal to 32, and from here we know that length is equal to 32 divided by 4, and length we have find here, that is 8. So I can say that length that is 8. So here we have length that is 8, and the length again this one is 8, and we know if I come in both rectangle the 8 is a common length. So again we have given the area of rectangle CEGH. So I can write here area of rectangle CEGH. CEGS, that is we have given 48 centimeter square, and we know area of rectangle that is length multiplied by breadth is equal to 48 centimeter square, and we know length which is given 8. So 8 multiplied by breadth is equal to 48, and from here we have given breadth that is 6 centimeter. So we know, so this one is again 6. So if I add this one, so total we have given length that is side that is 10, and again here we have given that is 10, again here we have given that is 10, and again here we have given that is 10. So if I add this one, so 10 plus 8, that is total 18. So we have to find the perimeter. So we know perimeter is equal to 2 bracket length plus breadth. So here 2 bracket length we have given that is 18, and breadth we have given that is 10. So 2 multiplied by 28, if I multiply here, so here I get answer that is 56 centimeter. That is the perimeter of rectangle ABCD. So here perimeter of rectangle ABCD, that is 56 centimeter. So now if I talk about next question, which is based on again same paragraph. So here we have to find the cost of the lace border, each 1.5 per centimeter, then find the cost of putting lace border the whole chart. So we know the perimeter. In previous question we have solved the perimeter of rectangle ABCD, that is 56 centimeter, and the cost we have given 1.5 per centimeter. So the total cost 56 multiplied by 1.5. So if I simplify here, so 56 multiplied by 15 divided by 10. So 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10, and 2 1 is 2, and here I get 28. So 28 multiplied by 3. So 8 3 is 24, carry 2, 8 2 is 6, or 84 rupees. So where is 84? So 84 rupees. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is again based on paragraph. So here we have given a paragraph that is, Ritika went to market to purchase monthly grocery. She visited 2 shopkeepers. A's first shopkeeper said that he had left with only 1 and 3/4 liter of ghee and 5/8 liter of oil. So she bought rest quantity, that is 9/16 liter of ghee and 1 and 1/2 liter of oil from second shopkeeper. So here we have given 2 shopkeeper. So Ritika first visited to shopkeeper 1, and then she visited to shopkeeper 2. So the question is that total quantity of ghee and oil Ritika bought from second shopkeeper. So for second shopkeeper, she bought 9/8 liter of ghee, right? 9/16 liter of ghee plus 1 and 1/2 liter of oil. So 1 and 1/2 liter of oil. So simple, if I simplify here, so I can write a 9/16 plus 2 and 1 2 and 3 3/2. So if I take LCM, that is 16. So here I can write 9 plus 8 3 ja 24. If I add this one, so here I get 33/16 liter. So 33/16 liter, that is the total quantity. So 33/16 liter. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now next question, that is based again on same paragraph, and we have question that is, which shopkeeper sold more quantity of ghee and oil? So we know second shopkeeper sold, that is 33/16 liter. So I can write here 33/16 liter. And if I talk about first shopkeeper, that is he sold ghee, that is 1 and 3/4 liter. 1 and 3/4 liter plus 5/8 liter of oil. So simplify, 4 1 4, 4 or 3, 7. So here I get 7 upon 4 plus 5 upon 8. So if I take LCM here, so I get 8. So 7 to 14 plus 5. So here I get 19 upon 8. If I multiply here numerator and denominator with 2, so here I get 38 upon 16. So if I compare this one to this one, so we have a question that which shopkeeper sold more quantity of ghee and oil to Ritika. So here shopkeeper first sell 38 upon 16 liter, and here this one sold 33 upon 16 liter. So I can say that shopkeeper 1 sold more quantity. So here shopkeeper 1 sold more quantity. So now if I talk about next question, that is the sum of twice a number subtracted from 5 and thrice the same number added to 4 can be expressed as. So this question is, here we have given multiple correct answers question. The statement that is twice a number, so let the number be x and the twice a number, that is 2x, subtracted from 5. So I can write here subtracted from 5, and we have to add here. So add plus thrice the same number, so number is that is x, and thrice the same number, that is 3x, and added to 4. So we have get this one, this expression. So if I arrange this one, so I can write here 3x plus 4 plus 5 minus 2x. And another conditions here we have given, that is I can write here 3x plus 4. If I take minus here, common, if I take a minus common here, so here I get 2x minus 5. So here we have two conditions, that is 3x plus 4 plus 5 minus 2x, and again 3x plus 4 minus bracket 2x minus 5. So why we do this one? So here we have given multiple correct answers. So we have to check all the conditions, right? So here option number A is correct, and here option number D is also correct. So here option number A and D both are correct, because here we have given multiple correct question. Okay. So now next question, that is A, B, C, D and P, Q, R, S are two square of the same dimensions. So here we have given A, B, C, D square, this one, and here we have given P, Q, R, S, this one. So we have to find the area of shaded part. We have to find the area of shaded part. So where is shaded part? This one. This is the shaded. This one is the shaded part. So if I observe here, so I get that this is the shaded part more than half of square, and this is the shaded part half of the square. So if I this one and this one, if I merge here, so here I get a total square that is shaded. So here one is the shaded square, again here this one is the shaded square, here I get this one is the shaded square, and this one is the shaded square. So here we get 1 2 3 4. So total number of shaded square, that is 4. So now we have to find the area of one square. So area of one small square, that is 7 multiplied by 7, that is 49 centimeter square. So we have to find the area of shaded area. So I can say that shaded area is equal to 49 multiplied by 4. So 9 4 is 36, carry 3, 4 4 is 3, and 4 4 is 16 or 3, 19. So here I get 196 centimeter square. So 196 centimeter square. So here 196 centimeter square. Again, this is the multiple correct question, and we have given options in meter square also. So if I convert this one to meter, so here I get 196 divided by, so here I get 0.0196 meter square also. So here 0.096 meter square is also correct, and 1.196 is also centimeter square is also correct. So here option number C and B both are the correct answer, because this question is the multiple correct question. So now if I talk about next question, that is simplify. So here we have given this one and we have to simplify, right? So first I write here. So we know here we have given divide sign. So first I convert divide sign into multiplication. So I can write here 1 multiplied by 9 upon 2. Again we have given minus sign, so I take minus bracket 2 and 1 by 2. 2 and 1 by 2, if I convert here simply, so I can write here 5 upon 2 minus bracket 2 multiply 1 2, 2 plus 1 3 by 2, and minus minus plus again here 1 by 3 divided by, again first if I convert divide sign into multiplication, so I can write here 1 multiply by 5 3 is 15, 15 over 1 16, so I can write it 5 upon 16 plus, again if I convert this one to multiply sign, so I can say 3 2 is 6, 6 over 2 8, it means 3 upon 8. So now next step, that is if I multiply here, so here I get 9 upon 2 minus bracket, if I simplify here, so here I get 5 upon 2, again minus, if I take LCM, that is 6, and if I simplify here, so I get 11. So again 5 upon 16 plus 3 upon 5 upon 16 plus 3 upon 8. So now next one, that is 9 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2 plus minus 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 plus and 11 upon 6, and this number is divided by 5 upon 16 plus 3 upon 8. Now I take LCM here 6, so I can say that 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27 minus 5 3 is 15 plus 11 divided by, here I take LCM, that is 16, so 5 plus 3 2 is 6. So if I simplify here, so here I get, if I subtract this one, so here I get 27 minus 4 upon 6 divided by 11 upon 16. So here I can write here 2 3 is 6, 8 2 8 is 16. So here 23 multiplied by 8 upon 3 multiplied by 11. So if I simplify here, so here I get 184 upon 33. So check which option is correct. So here option 184 upon 33. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk here, we have given multiple correct questions, so we have to convert it into mixed fractions. So here I can write here 5 and 19 by 33. So again if I check here, so here B is also correct. It means option number A and option number B both are the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is out of the following options, two angles are together classified as complementary angles. So we know complementary angles, if two angles having their sum is 90 degree, then these two angles are called complementary angles. So first if I add this one, so here I get 65 plus 35, it means 65 plus 5 70, 70 plus 30 100. So 100 degree, these angles are not complementary. If I talk about second one, that is 55 plus 35, it means we get 5 5 10, carry 1 5 4 8 90 degree. It means these two angles are complementary. So here option number B. If I talk about C1, because here we have given multiple choice question. So 28 plus 62. So 28 plus 62, that is 8 to 10, carry 1 6 to 8 1 90 degree. Again here I can say that C is also correct. If I talk about D1, so this one is wrong. So here B and C are the correct answer. So now if I talk about next one, which of the following is not divisible by 11? So we know what is the rule of divisibility of 11. So first we add the even places number, and then we add the odd places number, and then we have subtracted. So here first 4, 6 and 9. We add 4 plus 6 plus 9. Because these numbers are odd places number, and even places number are 5 plus 7 plus 8. So here if I simplify here, 4 6 10 10 and 1 9 19 minus 8 or 5 13 and 13 or 7 20. So here I get minus 1. So this number is not divisible by 11. So which of the following is not divisible by 11? So here option number A is the correct. If I talk about B1, so here again 5 4 5, these are the odd places number. So 5 plus 4 plus 5 minus 4 plus 5 plus 5. So here I get answer, that is 5, 4 for 9, 9 or 4, 14. So 14 minus 14, that is 0. It means this number is divisible by 11, but we have to find not divisible by 11. So if I talk about third one, that is again we have to first check odd place, that is 8 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 minus even place, that is 3, 1, 1. So here odd place, that is 8, 2, 4, 5, and even place, that is 3, 1, 1. So here if I simplify here, so I get 8 to 10, 10 or 9, 19 minus 5, that is 14. So here I can say that this one is not divisible by, so I can say C is also correct. If I talk about D1, again here the even place number, sorry, the odd place number, that is 8 plus 1 plus 5. If I subtract here even place number, that is 2 plus 4 plus 7. So simply if I simplify here, so 8 over 1 9, 9 plus 5 minus 4 2 6, 6 plus 7. So here I get 14 minus 13. So here again I get 1. Again this one is not divisible by 11. So here I can say the option number A, C and D, all three options are correct here. So now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following operations satisfy the associative law of whole number. So we know associative law of whole numbers are satisfied under addition and under multiplication. So here option number A is the correct answer. Here option number D is the correct answer. So if you have any inquiry, comment below and like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 6 reasoning conducted on 10 November 2024 in Shift-1. Hope you did very well. So let's get started. So now here question number 51. Find the missing term of given series. So series is 7, 26, 63, 124, 215 and find the missing number after 215. So first find the pattern of given series. So pattern of the series is if 2 cube minus 1, it means 7. Now 3 cube minus 1, it means 26, because 3 cube it means 27, minus 1 it means 26. Now 4 cube minus 1, 4 cube it means 64, minus 1 it means 63. Now 5 cube minus 1, 5 cube it means 125, minus 1 it means 124. Now similar 6 cube minus 1, 6 cube it means 216, minus 1 it means 215. Now similar 7 cube minus 1, 7 cube it means 343, minus 1, 343 minus 1 it means 342. So here next term is 342. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. Find the missing term of given series. So series is J2Z K4X. After K4X, I7V. After this, next is missing. After missing term, next is H16R M22P. So first find the pattern of the series. So what is the pattern used in this series? So taking first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of first term is J. First alphabet of second term is K. After K, next is I. After I, next is missing. After missing, next is H. After H, next is M. Now find the pattern. So pattern of the series is place value of J is 10. Place value of K is 11. Place value of I is 9. Place value of H is 8. Place value of M is 13. So now check the pattern. So 10 minus 1, it means 9. Now 9 minus 1, it means 8. So this is the alternate series. So now 11 plus 1, it means 12. Now 12 plus 1, it means 13. So 12 it means L, because place value of L is 12 in English alphabet. So here first missing alphabet is L. Now taking second alphabet of each term. Second alphabet of first term is Z. Second alphabet of second term is X. after X, next is V, after V, next is missing, after missing, next is R, after R, next is P. Now check the pattern. Place value of Z is 26, X it means 24, V it means 22, R it means 18, P it means 16. So now pattern is 26 minus 2 it means 24, 24 minus 2 it means 22, now 22 minus 2 it means 20. So 20 it means T, because place value of T is 20 in English alphabet. Now 20 minus 2 it means 18, 18 minus 2 it means 16. So second missing alphabet is T. So second missing alphabet is T. Now check the number series. So number series is 2, 4, 7. After 7 next is missing. After missing next is 16. After 16 next is 22. Now check the pattern. If 2 plus 2 it means 4. 4 plus 3 it means 7. Now 7 plus 4 it means 11. 11 plus 5 it means 16. Now 16 plus 6 it means 22. So missing number is 11. So here missing number is 11. So missing term of given series is L11T. L11T, it means option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. AB. So find the missing term of the given series. So series is AB, DEF, HIJK. After this next is missing. After missing next term is STUVWX. So now check the pattern. So pattern is A, B, now C, skipped C, D, E, F, after F, skipped G, H, I, J, K, after K, next is L, so skipped L. So now next term is M, N, O, P, Q. After M, N, O, P, Q, after Q, next is R, so skipped R, S, T, U, V, W, and X. So pattern of the series is in every next term, one alphabet has to be increased and then one alphabet has to be skipped. So here missing term is M, N, O, P, Q. M, N, O, P, Q. So it means option A is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. Soba was facing east. C walked 20 meter. Turning left, C moved 15 meter, and turning right, moving 25 meter. Finally, C turned right and moved 15 meter more. How far is he from his home and in which direction? So before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. This is north, this is east, this is south, this is west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. So now question is, Soba was facing east. So starting facing of Soba is in east direction. C walked 20 meter. C walked 20 meter in east direction. Turning left. Now turning left and move 15 meter and move 15 meter. Now turning right and moving 25, turning right and moving 25 meter. Now after this, C turned right and moved 15 meter. C turned right and moved 15 meter. And this is the final point of Soba. Let's suppose starting point of Soba is A and final point of Soba is B. So now question is, how far is he from his home? So now find the distance between starting point and end point. It means find the distance between A and B. So distance between A and B is equals to 20 plus 25. 20 plus 25, it means 45 meter. So distance between starting point and end point is 45 meter. Now question is, in which direction? and find the direction of B with respect to A. So B is in east of the starting point. East of the starting point. So the final point is in east of the starting point. So here option 45 meter east is the correct answer of this question. So now here option C is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 55. Choose the correct mirror image of given figure X from amongst the given alternatives. So find the mirror image of given figure. So the part of an object which is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. So this part is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror. And this part is away from the mirror, so it will remains away from the mirror in the mirror image. So this figure in the mirror looks something like this. This is the correct mirror image of given figure. So here option B is the correct answer of this question, because option B shows the correct mirror image of given figure. So here option B is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. Choose the correct voter image from given alternatives. So find the voter image of given combinations. So voter is always taken below the object. So here is voter. Now find the voter image of given combination. So first find the voter image of 5. So voter image of 5 looks something like this. Now find voter image of 0. So voter image of 0 looks something like this. Now find voter image of J. So this is voter image of J. Now find the voter image of A. This is voter image of A. Now find voter image of 3. So voter image of 3 looks something like this. Now find the voter image of 2. So this is voter image of 2. Now find the voter image of D. So this is voter image of D. Now again find the voter image of E. This is voter image of E. Now voter image of O. So voter image of O looks like as follows. Now find the voter image of 6. So this is voter image of 6. So this is the correct voter image of given combination. So here option C shows the correct voter image of given combination. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. Indra is 7th from the left end and Jaya is 5th from the right end. When they interchange their position, then Jaya becomes 19th from the right. What is Indra's position from the left? So in a row, position of Indra is 7th from the left. So this is the left side of the row and this is the right end of the row. Now position of Indra is 7th from the left. So now here is Indra and position of Jaya is 5th. Position of Jaya is 5th from the right end. Now here is Jaya. If they interchange their position, so now here is Jaya and here is Indra. When they interchange their position, then here is Jaya and here is Indra. Then Jaya becomes 19th from the right. Then Jaya becomes 19th from the right. So position of Jaya from the right is 19th. So now what is Indra's position from the left? So find the position of Indra from the left. Find the new position of Indra from the left. So formula is left position. Position of Indra from the left is equals to total minus position of Indra from the right plus 1. So first find the total number of person in this row. So total is equals to left position plus right position of the same person minus 1. So left position of Jaya is 7 plus right position of Jaya is 19 minus 1. So 17 plus 19, it means 26 minus 1. 26 minus 1, it means 25. So there are 25% in this row. So now find the position of Indra from the left is equals to total, it means 25 minus position of Indra from the right. Position of Indra from the right is 5 plus 1. So 25 minus 5, it means 20 plus 1, it means 21st. So position of Indra from the left, position of Indra from the left is 21st. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. If P means plus, P means plus, R means multiply, S means minus, T means divide. Now find the value of given equation. So equation is 5, R it means multiply, 9, P it means plus, 7, S it means minus, 9, T it means divided by 3, P means plus 6. So now find the value of given equation. So first divide the numbers according to board mass, then multiply the numbers. So 5 multiplied by 9 plus 7 minus 9 divided by 3, it means 3 plus 6. Now multiply the numbers. 5 multiply 9. 5 multiplied by 9, it means 45 plus 7 minus 3 plus 6. Now add the numbers. 45 plus 7. 45 plus 7, it means 52. 52 plus 6, it means 58 minus 3. 58 minus 3, it means 55. So value of given equation is 55. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 59. Figure X represents a square transparent sheet with a design on it. Find the one which represents the design on it. Find the one which represents the design that would appear when the sheet is folded at the dotted line. Now fold this sheet along to the dotted line. First this sheet will be folded in this direction. Then we get a image like this. When this sheet will be folded in this direction, then we get a image like this. Now fold this sheet in this direction. When this sheet is folded in this direction, then we get a image like this. Then we get a image like this. So here option D is the correct answer of this question, because options D shows the correct folded sheet. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. Choose a figure which would most closely resembles the unfolded form of figure Z. So now unfold the figure. So unfold the figure in the same sequence when it was folded and find the mirror image in each unfold. So first unfold the Z, then we got T. Now unfold the T, then we got X. Now unfold the X, then we got P, and find the image of P, because P represents unfolded sheet. So first unfold the Z. So unfold the Z in this direction. So unfold the Z, then we get a image like this. This is T. Now unfold the T in this direction, because T has been folded in this direction, so T will be unfolded in this direction. So now unfold the T, then we get a image like this. Now this is x. Now unfold x, unfold the x. So x will be unfolded in this direction because p has been folded in this direction, so it means x will be unfolded in this direction. So now unfold the x, then we get a image like this. This is correct unfolded sheet after cutting. So now here option B is the correct answer of this question because option B shows the correct unfolded sheet. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Thank you. So we have finished the solution. I hope you understood it well. If you have any query and doubt regarding the paper solution, so please log in the website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. Any new information related to Matrix Olympiad will be updated on this YouTube channel. So subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also have new updates on our WhatsApp channel. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great time.